So internally, we fabricate essentially everything you see inside your emergency vehicle. When you go in, you have your cabinets, your doors, your door panels. All of that material starts out on our punch press. Just pure machine speed-wise, about 2 to 3 times faster than our older punch presses. It can go about 500 hits per minute with the turret on our sheets. And what that means for us is we can get more parts through the punches. We identified that these punch presses were our bottlenecks that we were running into in our fabrication area. So we want to tackle those bottlenecks, remove those constraints from our operations, and that is why we brought in this new Amada EMK. We want to make sure that our assembly line of our modules keeps moving and our fabricated parts are getting to the line when they need to get there. And so now with this new Amada punch press, we're able to increase our throughput through our fabrication department, get those parts to the line on time, and ultimately that increases our throughput on our module line, and we'll be able to reduce our lead times as they go through production. This machine is just the first of many. We also have our new Amada punch laser combo that will be installed over in Sugar Land. And so that machine will have the turret head just like this one has. It will also have a laser head for those long cuts doing even quicker. So we'll be able to run that machine essentially lights out production as we get over to Sugar Land. So we're making one step with our capacity increase over here, and we'll just continue to grow as we move to our new facility.